But what did he just say? Say a yes, oh, please. I've got 2 degrees. Degree in marketing, degree in aviation, and I'm here fooling. What can I say then? Says I want your money, can't come in. Now, recently, oh, you Montreal. Oh, I don't believe you. Oh, please, let me believe you. Sister, when I was doing Joyce Dijo. Oh, HIV ambassador. This was a non-HIV ambassador. Nanona, me call yes, because I was getting confused. Then I go PM many. Then I miss Afia. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And then I go say, you know what God said? God said, this is why I brought Ebola. Because Ebola, you can't come and deny it. Centuries you are gone. No, you won't have time to deny it. Where will you deny it from? With HIV, you have 10 years to accept, deny, reaccept, and die. So, yeah, this girl, she's in phase 2. She's in the denial stage. She'll come back and accept and die. Oh, yeah, oh! And when I see the men bragging, I go like, oh, women, we are the cause. Do you know we are the cause? Look at the man beside you and say, it is my fault. Oh, yeah. It is our fault because God created them naked. Women, just imagine we had refused to give them the apple. Like men will be running around naked. Imagine Asamoah Gyan after a goat. And then the small two will be running around. It is our fault. Oh, it is our fault. Like we don't give the apple, see or boy sitting down naked. Like we shake and rub. Like men don't feel brag again because some men, it's just like this. So when you see like, bless you, brother, like, oh bless you, oh bless you, oh bless you. So when you now, in fact, you've been in trouble. She said it is her time. Who is that? Any of us say, well, we want to sing. When will we introduce an artist and somebody will faint? Why are we so black? Huh? Like I said, Miss Villa, and it go off. When will that happen? Oh, please. Pretend I see the light just came on in your house.
Beat highness, beat highness, beat highness.
Yeah, yeah, it's your boy Energy, MIC. Don't see the ball if you do for me, I'll do